So basically I'm going to review 300 questions plus I'm going to attempt 1 GT. 300 questions plus 1 GT. I'll simplify this for you. If you respect time, time will also respect you. So I planned my first 9 GTs in such a way that it falls on every Sunday, same like NEET PG. So I've decided to simulate NEET PG exam every Sunday. That way my mind will be programmed to attempt exam on every Sunday. I don't know if this works for you, but I think it might work for you. If you haven't seen my timetable, I'll link it somewhere here. Go check it out first. So I've dedicated entire day for GT. The entire day is for GT. I'll be giving 1 GT and I'll be reviewing questions. I've divided my day into 3 sessions. Session 1, Session 2 and Session 3. Session 1 is from 9 AM to 3 PM. Session 2 is from 3:30 PM to 7 PM. And Session 3 is from 8 PM to 2 AM. I've divided session 1 into 4 blocks. So session 1 is for 6 hours, in which 5 hours are for studying and 1 hour is for break. I've divided session 1 into 4 blocks. Block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4. Each block is for 1 hour 30 minutes, in which 75 minutes is for studying and 15 minutes is for break. Let's consider if we take 2 minutes for one question, we can solve approximately 37 questions in one block. I mean, we can solve 37 questions in 75 minutes if we take 2 minutes for one question, but not more than that. Make sure you don't spend more than 2 minutes for one question. Same goes with block 2, block 3 and block 4. So in one block you will be completing 37 questions. Total 4 blocks. So 75 minutes into 4 we will be getting 5 hours. In this 5 hours you should solve 150 questions. This 150 questions should be bare minimum. Make sure you will be solving 150 questions. Anything more than 150 is appreciated. So from 9 AM to 3 PM I'll be reviewing questions from previous GT which I have attempted last Sunday. So whichever GT I have attempted last Sunday, I'll be reviewing 150 questions from that GT. So 150 questions are done here. From 3 to 3:30 PM we'll take a break. 3:30 PM to 7 PM get ready for your exam. After my GT I'll take a break for 1 hour. Then from 8 PM to 2 AM is session 3. This session 3 is exactly the same as session 1. Block 1, block 2, block 3 and block 4. Each block is for 1 hour 30 minutes. So totally 4 blocks for 5 hours. So we can solve 150 more questions here. In this session, I'll be reviewing 150 questions from today's GT. So 150 questions from today's GT and 150 questions from previous week's GT. So totally 300 questions are solved. So totally 300 questions are solved today. Plus we have attempted 1 GT. So I haven't tried this. This is just a rough plan. This plan is only for Sundays. I know this timetable sounds crazy and I know it is impossible to follow, but I'm going to push myself and I'm going to try and finish how much ever is possible. You might think you can't do this, but think again. Do you have time? Do you have enough time? If you have enough time, then you can reduce your hours, then you can do whatever you want. But we don't have time. Time is the factor here. So we have to utilize our time properly. These last few days are very important. Let's utilize it properly. Time is the critical factor here. All the best, guys.